The video shows our Russian branch, RSD, which includes Henan RSD Separation Equipment Technology Co., Ltd., Puyan Shenyuan RSD Petroleum Equipment Co., Ltd., Henan RSD Service Technology Co., Ltd., and RSD Zotec Russia Company. RSD has been deeply engaged in the solid control field of oil and gas exploration for over 2 decades. The company's core products, such as drilling fluid vibrating screens, centrifuges, and integrated machines, as well as screens and drilling auxiliary equipment with a certain market foundation, have all won wide recognition from domestic and foreign customers with their outstanding performance and reliable quality. RSD has always been committed to providing solid control equipment and technical services for the global oil and gas industry. RSD has always adhered to the principle of putting customers at the center and is committed to providing customers with high-quality products and services. If you are interested in our products, please feel free to contact us at any time. We will serve you wholeheartedly and jointly write a new chapter in the development of the industry.